You know a nigga like me early on, trying to strike shit. Atheist? No. This isn't gonna work. Atheist? How do you not believe in God, bro? God? What is going on? Okay. First round is on me if you give me your credit card. Bitch. Woo! It's my type of shot. This is where we ball at, nigga. Is she in New York? Okay. Chat. I mean it. A nigga like me. See, nigga like me. I'ma eat it.
Than a minute to go.
No.
Oh my goodness, Valentine!
No.